Hello everyone, welcome to Drawleaper channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to change phone number on WhatsApp. Now the first thing you have to do is open WhatsApp, then tap on three dots, then go to settings, then go to account, then tap on change number, then tap on next. Now from here enter your old number, then here type the new number that you want to set for WhatsApp. Then tap on next, then tap on done and give it a moment. Then a code will be sent through SMS text to verify your phone number. And you can see it's verified automatically. Now you can see my phone number has been changed successfully. Then tap on OK and it's done. And that is how you can change phone number on WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.